Guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you guys back with me today. February 22nd, 2021. And I want to say before I begin this video that I'm extremely grateful for the support you guys have shown, hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel. Please keep that up. I appreciate it. I have a description with a couple links in that description below this video to Robinhood, to Webull, I was going to say Webull, Robinhood, and BlockFi. Okay, that's an opportunity for you guys to not only get some free stocks, but to help yourselves invest into the stock market. Also, I just wanted to say, over this last week and a half, we've been undergoing a couple changes to this channel. Things like more of a structured schedule so that it's providing you guys with Monday, Wednesday, Friday, early AM videos. This one is an exception with a recap on Sunday. Okay, so more organization to this channel, which will be in the upcoming weeks and months, you'll see. And in addition to that, I will be adding a little surprise to this video. And so just tune in to check the surprise out. And without further ado, let's get started, all right? Jumping right into it for our lock for today. We're going to be looking at the Suns versus the Blazers. The Blazers are taking on the Suns in the desert at a 9 p.m. Eastern tip-off. So the Suns are favored by 6 here, okay? And they've been on a roll lately. I mean, been playing lights out. Total is 227. And remember, guys, I called this in my other video a week ago that the Suns would be on a winning streak coming into the end of this month and bleeding into March. So keep an eye out for that. The Blazers are actually a pretty decent team on the road this year, okay? They're 10-5 straight up when they do travel, and as a team, they're 73% against the number in those road games. Lillard has been absolutely an all-star. Glad he got selected. He is putting up 33 points per game, and the Blazers are making 41% of their three-pointers on the road. The Suns, on the other hand, like I mentioned before, and how I know you guys have been watching their games, if you have, they've been playing some excellent basketball right now. And when the Suns are on a streaky field, when they're playing well, they keep that feel going, okay? So look for them, like I mentioned before, to bleed this winning streak into March. The Suns, however, have been not the best lately against the Blazers, okay? The Suns are in the bottom 5 in the NBA in fourth quarter home scoring. And over the last recent meetings, they've actually lost 5 out of their 6 to the Blazers. With that being said, the Suns are 3-0 in the over in their last 3 and 6-1 to the over in their last 7. Let that sink in for a second. Meanwhile, 4 out of Portland's last 6 got over to the total themselves, with 60% to the over in the road games. With this data, which way you guys heading? Which way you guys thinking? I'm thinking over. Give me the over 227. If you knew what was good for you, you would take that pick. And, I just wanted to say I'm really looking forward to going over this stock pick for you guys here in a second. All right, guys, for our surprise today, I'll be showing you guys a technical analysis on ticker symbol CLOV. All right, guys, this is Clover Health Investment Corp. Clover Health Investments are in the healthcare sector, and they are a healthcare insurance company. In terms of a good deal stock, this is actually one of your best bets. They got hit with a short seller report. If we take a look here, back at February about 5th, this report went out on Hindenburg where they talked about the stock in a bit of a negative way, and that caused this stock to drop about $4, okay? Right now, it is currently sitting at $11.08, okay? If we look here at the earnings reports, which is labeled with the E on the chart, we have one coming up March 1st, all right, guys? And then we had one on November 16th, and we had one on August 13th. What happened directly after those earnings reports? Well, I labeled that with a white arrow facing upwards. There was an increase in not only volume, but the stock went up. Okay, what happened after the second earning? Boom, stock went up. Okay, we have an earnings coming up here on on March 1st, and I labeled this future with my Elliott 5 impulse wave, where we have a price target up here at about $18 by April 21st. So great stock to get into right now. Heavily bullish on this. And this stock came first through a SPAC, then the short seller report came out, and now you can expect this rise from this stock. It is, like I said, currently trading at $11.18 at the time of this video, and I would look to get in at this stock at around $10.50 or $11.20. You can set a limit buy. As you can see, there's a little bit of volume here in the after hours. All right, guys, that was my surprise for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is definitely one to keep an eye out and to hop in. Take care.